welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am Navi Lee. Before we go any further in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you guys won't miss any of my upcoming video. And if you guys enjoy this video, which I hope you do, make sure you hit that like button in the face. So without further ado, let's get to it, shall we? So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so today I received a package in the mail from my sister that I thought I should do a review on. So here's the package. She ordered it off on Amazon. What it looked like from the inside. When I first opened it, this is what I saw. It was the cutest thing ever. I was getting emotional just reading this. So it does have this like bag of air, which to me I thought it would have been better if they was using bubble wraps, if it's just a makeup palette that you're receiving, because you don't want your product to be damaged, right? So this is what it looks like once you receive your package. This is so cute. It comes in this zip bag. So what you will receive once you order it is the brushes, which is pretty cute, a beauty blender, and here is the palette. So it's Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. So once you open it, oh, this is a really what? So it does have this little cover to cover that. So that's what it would look like. Holy cheese stick. This is a really nice palette. So I'll be doing some color swap on here, if it's pigmented or not. This red one right here. Wow. So let's do a color a swap. That is really pigmented. This blue one right here. Wow, I love the color, and that's very pigmented. Let's go for this yellow one down here. See how pigmented this is. Wow. Oh my, I'm already loving this palette. So let's open these brushes. I mean this bag to see what kind of brushes there. How it looks. In like a cute bag, like a travel brushes to go, I guess.
Ooh, okay.
But this is really cute. I do like this. It's like a travel makeup bag. I like that. So she wanted me to recreate her look. She did basically a girly glam version of Harley Quinn, which is that one. So she thought that I should do recreating her look, but more of a different version. So I already prepped my face and it's all ready to go. So let's get into this palette. So I'm gonna use black, which is right here in this corner. That is not too bad. I'm already like loving it. So I'm gonna blend this out. So it's not too bad with the blending. You do gotta blend it really hard because it's really pigmented. So I'm gonna do the other eye. Alright, so I did this eye and it blended out really good, which is really nice. That's a good thing. So Harley, the Suicide Squad version, she had like this bright blue with a bright red, I believe. And then my sister did a girly version of it. So I'm gonna go more of a goth side of this one. So this is, I'm pretty sure this is like the red that Harley Quinn probably would have. So I'm gonna go within the darker one. Oh jeez. Wow. So definitely go in with this darker blue right here. Ooh. It's hard to tell the blue because it does kind of blend in with the black, but it is a dark blue. Like I said, I'm doing a goth version of Harley Quinn, like the dark side. So I'm gonna blend this all out. I'm gonna do the under eye, so I'm gonna go in back with the black right here. Put it on the out of corner. Dark red one right here. The blue right here. So I actually went in with this flat round brush and I actually put more blue and the red on this side so it shows a little bit more, and it came out really good. I'm gonna go in with this brush, go with the same black eyeshadow that I've been using. So I'm gonna apply some lashes on and I'll be right back. Alright, so my lashes are on, so now we're gonna go in for the lips. So she does have like this really bright red lipstick, so. But I'm going for like a darker type. So I'm gonna apply this red lipstick on. I can tell it's definitely not the red I was hoping for, but it's alright. So I am gonna go in with this long lasting in, I don't know what color, it doesn't have the color, but it is in this color. I'm gonna go over it because this is a weird looking red lipstick I ever have. So since this is like more of like a kind of like a goth dark side of Harley Quinn, I'm gonna go and drag in the red and the blue down. Alright you guys, so here's the final look. I am pretty much digging this dark version of Harley Quinn. I love it because she did have her makeup drag both sides, right here on the side, but I went down for the middle just to give it a different look. I love how this came out, and it's all in this palette, you guys, right here. Whatever that I use most, it was the black, like a dark red, and this blue right here, you guys. Like, this is what I was using this whole time in this palette. And if you guys really want to get one, I will leave it down below. Don't forget. If you guys also want this for my last video, I will also leave that down below. It's on Amazon if you guys want one. I am digging this look. Well, here is pretty much the Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad. And here is my sister's version of doing Harley Quinn. And here is my version of Harley Quinn. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know who did a better version of Harley Quinn. Is it my sister or is it me? And if you guys want to check out her page, I will leave her right here at AsianGlam_look. And if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, it'll be also right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you an idea of Comic-Con or cosplay, because I love to go to Comic-Con and I love dressing up. So maybe this might be the look for me. I don't know. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace!